The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
Look at those. No, wait, I want to turn off the thing.
Yeah.
It might suck you up in there.
Go, 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 go. Oh shit. Take a bath, take a bath.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Oh my god, there's water going everywhere.
How's it feel?
It's warm.
It's warm.
Turn the jets on.
Turn the jets on.
It sucks up in there.
It's making it hot. Turn it off.
A towel? What? These white towels over here.
He's just gonna ignore the whole person.
Wash your armpits. Ooh, yeah, ooh. Here you go. You got a little something on your glasses. Let's see those toes, boy. Let's see them toes. Ooh.
Viewers and subscribers, of all the things that I have seen, it makes me have to wonder about this. An employee takes a bath in the restaurant's kitchen sink. Would you believe it, viewers and subscribers? And it is said that this restaurant is called Wendy's. Alright, that's what it's been said. Alright, but viewers and subscribers, we bring it to you to show you what's going on behind those kitchen doors some of the time at these restaurants. And I am not trying to pinpoint out one brand of restaurant, because really and truly, viewers and subscribers, it's not the brand of restaurant that is keeping the place dirty at some of these restaurant joints. It is the branch, not the brand, but the branch. You get what I'm saying to you? Because you have some branches of restaurant. It all depends on probably the manager, the supervisor, or who is in charge to make sure that the place is to a certain standard of cleanliness and clean. You get me? So we don't want anyone to get up and say, oh, that brand of restaurant is dirty. No, all right? Because there has been many different restaurants that have different brand that over the years have done many different things. You know, some you hear about rats, some you hear about roaches, some where you hear about the food is tampered with, some with dirty bathroom facilities and all these things. So you can't just say it's one brand. They are mixed up. It's all depending on the branch, right? Now this man, as an employee of a restaurant, decides to hold a bath in the kitchen sink of the restaurant. Now who would do something like that? Really and truly, viewers and subscribers, why would you even do something like that? What could have caused you to do something like that? Is it a spite? Is it that you're being fired, so you decide to do something that would outrageously go viral or something? What could have really went through your head to do something like that? Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is something that I saw. I find it very interesting, and I think that my viewers and subscribers deserve to look at something like this to know what is going on out there. There's a lot of crazy going on out there. Is what I'm saying to you? A man, or should I say a person, decides to hold a bath in a restaurant kitchen sink. And I'm letting you, viewers and subscribers, look at this. So tell me what you think about something like this. Alright? And as always, I don't know if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is SiNK. Big up on yourself. You see it?